Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to go through a setup of your phone without a Samsung account. Let's begin! Now I will blast through this tutorial, so if you want to have more in-depth on how to exactly perform a good setup, you can always watch my tutorial on that. But as you can see, I am blasting through, so I'm ignoring the fact that I could send diagnostic data. I do not own any other phone, so I'm not going to set up using another device. Though if you have it, I would strongly advise you to do it. We will be connecting to Wi-Fi, so we now have to input our password. Now let's simply hit connect. If the password is correct, we can simply go. And next, now I do not have a SIM card on me right now, so I will also skip setting up a SIM. And now we are getting our phone ready, and in any moment now we should see the one thing we came here for, the Google account. So we want to simply wait for a few moments, just like the phone tells us. We can copy up some data. I'm not going to do that since, once again, I do not have other phone. And now, if I remember correctly, we should see a login to Google account. Exactly. So in order to skip that, all you want to do is simply hit that skip in the left down corner. It's actually left bottom corner, sorry. Now we'll see at this screen that it will basically beg us to, no, don't skip the Google account, it's so important. But of course, we don't care. We simply hit skip. And now we can continue with our setup as usual. So we can skip the protection of your phone. We can disable all Google services because we don't like Google, apparently. I am curious why you wouldn't want to choose Google. You can always share that in comments below, but I'm really curious on why you chose to not use the Google account via your setup, because I think it's pretty important. I will skip also the Samsung account as well, because like Google account enables you many things, so that's pretty interesting, and I'm just surprised that you have chosen to not use the Google account. Maybe you don't like Google. I mean, they are kind of monopolistic, like they do own whole internet basically, and everyone's using it. So that's actually a good point, yeah, I guess. But anyway, I'm really curious. If you want, you can share in the comments why you have chosen to search for this tutorial, to watch this tutorial, and if you really don't use Google account at all. But I guess then you can't comment, because it requires you to have a Google account in the first place. So we are in a paradox. Damn. Anyway, that's all for this video. As you can see, I did blast it through this pretty fast, because I just wanted to show you how to skip a Google account. If you want to have in-depth on how to actually go through the setup, I did just recorded a 10-minute video on how to do it. Or actually, maybe it's 12-minute video already. Never mind. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.